Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth Subaru Legacy 2012. Press the Home button on the head unit and select Settings, then Bluetooth. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and search for devices named Subaru or Legacy. Select the vehicle name, confirm the pairing code shown on both screens, and accept any prompts to allow contacts and audio. If pairing fails, restart both phone and car system and try again calmly. Begin with the car in park and ignition set to accessory or on. In the head unit, choose Settings, Bluetooth, then add New Device or Pair New. Make sure your phone is visible and select the Subaru Legacy 2012 name when it appears. Compare the PIN on the car display and phone, then confirm on both. Grant permission for contacts and media access so calls and music work through the car speakers without further steps. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while waiting during car setups. It's lightweight and easy on the eyes and pairs well with road trips. I just wanted to share that neat gadget. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing doesn't work, start by toggling Bluetooth off, then back on both devices. Remove old connections from the infotainment Bluetooth list to free space for new devices. If the car still won't detect your phone, restart the phone and cycle the car ignition or reboot the head unit if possible. Try pairing again and follow the PIN confirmation carefully, and check phone permissions for contacts and media to ensure full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.